what's going on, guys? MomoForex here. First you learn and then you remove the L. So in this video, guys, I'm going to go over my VIP signals channel, guys, Momo's top trades. I'm going to go over the top trades this week. I'm going to break it down for you guys. The trades are still active right now, so I'm going to break it down live for you guys and show you guys what I was looking at, why I got in, risk management, and everything that has to do with it. So tap in, guys. It's not going to be a long video. It's going to be short, simple, straight to the point, and I'm going to give you guys a lot of value to help you guys dominate this Forex market. Let's get it. All right, guys, let's get into it. So we have 3 trades open right now on the Momo's Top Trades VIP Signals channel. We have Euro NZD that's nicely in profit right now, going well. This is a 3% risk. We have GBP CAD right now, just a little bit in profit, 3% risk as well. And we have 1% risk on GBP 40, which is also known as DAX. Just 1% risk. So what I do, guys, I always make sure the trades with the highest probability that fit my rules the best with all my journaling and experience and everything. Those are the trades I risk a little bit more, and the trades that are not the absolute best, those I risk less. So this trade, as you can see, just 1% risk. We'll go over right here. So we have GBP CAD right here, 3% risk, just a little bit in profit. GBP CAD, we'll go over analysis in a second. We have Euro NZD, 3% risk on Euro NZD right here. This one is nicely in profit as well. And then we have lastly GBP 40 DAX, just 1% risk, just 1% risk. So if it hits a stop, it wouldn't be a bother at all. All right, so let's get into it, guys. Let's go quickly and now analyze all of these setups. All right, so Euro NZD, as you can see, zoom out on the higher time frames, it has been on an absolute tear. Absolute tear, overall strong uptrend, and it broke through this nice and strong resistance zone that it had before. You can see this resistance zone got absolutely cracked, right? So I'm waiting for price to come all the way down and test this zone again. So why did I enter? So actually I did enter this at a much better price all the way around here. But when I started the signals channel, price was around here. That's why the entry is here. So let's say realistically, if I started this channel a bit earlier, we would have entered around here. I would have, had to take profit all the way down here where I still have it. And I would have had to stop, let's say somewhere around 1.9300. That would have been a 2.6 risk to reward, but now since we entered here, it's just about a 1 to 1.35 with a 3% risk, so that's still fine, no worries at all. All right, so it's been on an absolute tear uptrend right here. So now I see price starting to get exhausted here. RSI came and smashed all the way high up here. Price is starting to get exhausted. We have another push up here, right? And then you can see the RSI starting to go down. We have one final push right here, and we have consistent continuation of the RSI going down. So then I'm looking for entries right there and looking to catch the move all the way down. Very simple, very straightforward. And there's a lot more other rules as well with all my experience and journaling and everything over the years, but that kind of breaks it down to a very simplified format so you guys can understand, right? So that's the counter trend trade right here. It's going smooth. We're gonna wait and see what it does. It should hit the take profit hopefully end of this week or beginning of next week, I would expect. All right, so let's go to the next pair. Let's go to GBP CAD. GBP CAD, kind of similar outlook as well, similar analysis on Euro NZD. Absolute tear uptrend, right? Broke this nice resistance zone we had right here. Played around here a little bit, but absolutely ended up crashing through the zone. And then what do we have? We have price come up here. And then what do we see? We start seeing exhaustion. We see the RSI going down. We see price pushing up, but we can see the RSI consistently going down right here. So we have an exhaustion. So now I'm aiming for price to come all the way down, retest the zone. This one a little bit even lower than aiming for up here. So let's see this one. This one we had a decent entry. Again, I started this channel like pretty recently, so the entry would have been a little bit better, but no worries at all. This entry is still fine. The risk reward here is 1 to 2. We have a nice 1 to 2 risk reward trade, 3% risk. Hopefully it goes well. I should expect this to drop in about maybe end of next week or max end of the month. That's what I would expect on this trade, right? This is another counter trend trade, very similar to Euro NZD, nice and smooth, right? So now we have finally GBP 40. This is a 1% risk on indices, especially trading this style. I usually risk very low on indices, or absolutely just avoid them totally, to be honest. This specific strategy I'm using does not work the best with indices, so generally I even avoid them totally. So with this setup, similar outlook as well, actually all these three are kind of very similar, but matching the strategy. So this one was an absolute tear. GBP 40 was going on an absolute tear, and then what do we see? Let's go on the daily time frame. We start seeing exhaustion as well. We see price come all the way up here, right, maxing the RSI right here, and then what do we see? We see price top it off again with some nice strong wicks, but way down on the RSI right here. Our price is getting some very aggressive exhaustion right here. So we look to enter right there, aim to target all the way down near this nice major resistance zone that it broke, right? We're going to take profits just a little bit above it in this case, and this is a 1 to 3 risk to reward, and we're just risking about 1%. So this is a trade that should take a little bit longer. This is a nice swing trade, but it's just a 1% risk. If it hit the stops, who cares? It's just a little bit in drawdown right now. I do not expect it to hit the stop, to be honest, but it doesn't matter. The risk is much lower here. We have nicer trades that are much higher risk and good risk reward. This one has the best risk reward, GBP 40, but still not the one that fits the rules the absolute best compared to these other ones that are doing very nice. So yeah, so that's just a simple breakdown of these trades, guys. Hope you guys learned a lot from this. Hope you guys check out my free resources, guys. Free course, free signals, so you guys can tap in and win with my team. If you guys want to have the juice of the juice, the cream of the crop, you can always check out my VIP channel as well. It's absolutely super cheap, made it affordable for everyone, so you guys can all win with me, win together. Remember, verified trader, profitable with a proven track record, always here to share the best absolute knowledge and value so we can all win together, dominate this Forex market, and make some bags. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in, guys. Be sure to check out the description below and tap into everything that I give absolutely for free so we can all win together and dominate this Forex market, guys. Peace, love, and blessings. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Let's get it.